Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks For You. Today we are making a very tasty, simple, spicy chatpati fruit chaat recipe, and this takes just about 2 minutes to put together. So for this, in a bowl we'll take some chopped fruits. I've taken some bananas, pineapple, apples and some grapes, the black and the green. So to this we'll add some spices. I've used about 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/8 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder and chaat masala about 1/4 teaspoon. To this we'll add some honey and toss it really well. There's no fixed amount of fruits required. You can use any amount of fruits you like. And to this we'll add some chopped mint leaves. So this gives a really refreshing and fresh taste to the fruit chaat recipe. And now the fruit chaat is ready, and we'll just transfer it to a serving dish. So it's as simple as that. You need just 2 minutes to put it together, and you can make this fruit chaat using just 2 fruits, that's apple and bananas, and it still tastes absolutely delicious. So we'll garnish this with some mint leaves, and this fruit chaat is ready to be served. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section if you liked it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sara Cooks For You.